Well, it's just a little windy today. Apparently the main brunt of the storm is supposed to hit a little bit later on in the day. So I've moved all the bins inside and boiled some eggs, and I'm gonna make a sentry run here pretty soon, as long as they're open. Kind of watching all these birds kind of flap around like they don't really know what's going on. So we will see how all of that turns out. The sun's been peeking out right back there every now and again, and it's all like blood orange. I'm hoping that it clears up a little bit again. There's a plane flying out. Idiot. Why would you do that? Oh. So it's definitely starting to pick up. We're starting to get pretty high winds. Just ran down to Centra to get some stormy essentials. Guinness. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty disappointed in the hurricane today. Everyone was like, no, it's gonna be terrible, and everyone's gonna... If no one had told me that there was a hurricane today, I would have thought it was just like a really windy day. Now that might have been just for our microclimate up here. I know that there were some downed trees around the country and a lot of wind and rain and stuff, but it's just windy. Wow.
There were fish stocks. Some are thin and some are fat.
You're good. Go ahead.
And there's a here. And these things are everywhere. There's some who like the warm and hot sun.
Braun ist zu dunkel, bellt der Hund, und andere Farben sind zu bunt. Beige, das ist edel und so hell. In beige gekleidet bist du nie grell. Wow.
What are you guys reading?
In this.
Olli Nil, die Nilpferdfrau.
Rylan, what is this book about?
No.
New.
Hey, es ist noch nicht fertig.
Ducky, what is this you got?
In rosa, gelb, orange, grün, braun ist Olli sehr...
Tomorrow, Christiana is leaving for London. Tomorrow's Friday. Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow, Christiana's leaving for London for a few days. She'll be back on Tuesday, I think. So I'll have the girls here all by myself. Should be great. Maybe we'll go do something fun. I don't know. Been kind of rainy and wet. I think I should make some dinner. It's 5. Hey, have you guys eaten yet? Have you guys eaten? What should we have? You're leaving? Oh, right. So you don't want food. Okay. Christiana's headed out this morning to London. She's up saying goodbye to Rye right now. And then she's out. Taxi's coming to get her. And then it's just me and the girls.
Actually, can you run to my purse and grab me my umbrella just in case? I'll be back.
Yeah. Get out of here. Hi. Hey, dude. What are we making?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
And
That's right.
I'm going to something.
So today's Saturday. You may have noticed that there wasn't anything from Friday. That's because I was trying to juggle work and girls and cleaning and all of the things with Christiana being gone. But after Ducky is up from her nap, I guess there's like a little like a indoor play center for kids that's like supposedly really fun and all of that. So I think we'll go check that out. And because it's kind of, gloomy and rainy outside, which I like. I prefer it when it's gloomy and rainy, but doesn't make for a good outdoor playtime type situation. Did we get a chance to talk with Mommy on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was that?
Good.
Yeah. Do you miss Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a little... What are you doing right here? What are you doing right here? You making a mess?
You're making a big mess.
Yeah, you're making the big mess.
Get out of here, Ducky.
I'm not Ducky, you're the Ducky. That's what I thought. It is absolutely flooded down here. Holy cow. I've never seen the water up this high. Whoa, that's kind of... There were a lot of kids in there. Like a lot. 700,000, I think. What? We're gonna head home. I'm gonna try and clean up a little bit. My buddy Steven's coming over this evening after the kids are in bed. Did you guys have fun? Did you have fun? You saw your friend there. So we decided to come on down here to the beach because Rylan really wanted to go to the beach today. It's not really a beach day. Woo! Woo! There you go. So yeah, they wanted to come down. So we got some snacks. I'm not a really good beach person, so we don't have any like shovels or anything like that, but maybe they can go find rocks. What's up? You need some what? Melody's fallen down about 7 times now and she's not feeling it. It's kind of cold at the beach today.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yo.
How you doing, buddy? Jeez. And thus we get to the end of our day where all the dishes need to be out of the dishwasher and all the other dishes need to go into the dishwasher and the front room needs to be cleaned and the food needs to be put away and there's sunflower seed oil over there. Oh man, today was a long day. But actually better than yesterday. Yesterday was a bad day. It was yesterday was an okay day. I didn't sleep very well the night before, but today we actually had a lot of good fun, so I really miss my wife. That's gonna do it for this week. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Oh my gosh, at the beginning of this video was the hurricane. Wow. All right, I'll see you next week.